So this is the mini electric screwdriver set. We're gonna open it up here and see what we got here inside. So to open it, all you do is just press in here and then it slides right on out. So here we have the magnetic bit holder here, the electronic. It also comes with a magnetizer and demagnetizer here. Comes with a magnetic pad. And then right here next to the magnetic drill holder, you got a pair of tweezers here. And then you have a pry bar here. You see here, there's different lengths of drill bits here. And also on the back, you got a whole some other sets of drill bits with different lengths here. Electric screwdriver here comes with a digital display screen. As you can see here, we got the digital display screen. It also comes with 5 levels of electric torque, 0.3 to 0.5 Newton meters. This is suitable for maintenance of precision equipment such as computers, tablets, mobile phones, drones, glasses, etc. Supports manual torque up to 7 Newton meters. It's equipped with 4 built-in LED lights, ideal for areas with unsuitable lighting. The driver is slip resistant and lightweight and powerful. The batch head material is of high quality S2 steel with a hardness of 60 HRC. Comes with a Type-C charging port. It can be fully charged in 1 hour. So I'm gonna do some work here on my Nintendo Switch. This case is also magnetic, which holds the batch of drill bits in secure as being magnetic. So this is working out very well. It's very easy to use. It's very slick and easy to use.